I'm a courier here at Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Born and raised right here on Hilton Head. I love golf, I love bowling. I direct a community church choir. I'm a big barbecue fan. I'm just starting to learn different recipes. Just an all-around country boy, love it here on Hilton Head. Hilton Head Island has great beaches, great hotels. It's just a good place to grow up and live.
You guys have 18 permanent drivers, and it's really impressive that almost half of them have been with FedEx for over 20 years.
Absolutely. I've been with the company 27 years, and it's because I love it. If you see someone that needs help, you go to their aid and help them. It's all about being a team player here,
So what's happening here? What's going on?
We have a shuttle that just came in from Savannah. I look at the route number, 829.
829, that's yours.
Yep.
Oh, there's a lot of 829s.
That's me.
Oh, Eddie, here's
sir.
another 829.
829, that's it.
Is this one from Santa?
No, I'm Santa Claus.
You are Santa Claus. He's Eddie Claus. So what kind of wildlife do you see here?
We do have a lot of alligators here. They're all over Hilton Head and the low country as well. They do run fast.
Here, gator, gator, gator.
You go first and I'll be after you. How about that?
You don't have to be faster than the gator, but you have to be faster than your friend. What has Hilton Head been like during the pandemic?
When I would average between 70, 80 stops, now I'm averaging between 90 to 100 stops per day. We used to have the volume go down and up, but now it's just busy all the time. A lot of people really know that we're putting our lives and our families' lives on the line throughout this pandemic, and they're really appreciative. And it makes us work harder for them, knowing that they appreciate what we do every day.